Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I'm going to be working on this 2000 F350. We're going to be doing the front brakes and the front calipers. So let's get this thing jacked up and the wheels popped off. Once you get it jacked up, go and pull this cover off. Go to pull these lug nuts off with that 21 millimeter. Once you get the wheel taken off, you got a 17 here and a 17 down here. Take them both off to pull the caliper off. And then you have a 14 here for the brake line, and that'll take the whole caliper off. So let's pull that caliper off real quick. Just go ahead and pull these clips. Pull the brake pads out. You can see we got this 14 here to pull this caliper off, so we'll pull this all the way off. We're going to take off this caliper bracket as well, and these are 221s. Repeat on the other side. This side needs a caliper because this system right here failed, and let alone those brakes were toasted quite a while ago. Obviously they needed replaced sooner than they did, and I think that's what caused the failure on the caliper itself. So let's go get some parts. Let's get that new caliper bracket back on. Use those 221s that I have. Get these brakes all put together with the new hardware. Now you got the brake shoes on, go ahead and grab that new caliper. Go ahead and slide it on. Make sure you get both of them in before you tighten them. And then you need to turn these pieces, make sure it's all in your grooves and lined up. And then this has new hardware as well. I'm gonna leave this sensor done until we can bleed the brakes. I'm gonna go ahead and jump to that other side and get that done real quick. To bleed your brakes, there is a 10 millimeter bleeder screw on the back side. You might need someone to come help you do it. Make sure your reserve is full, which is up here on the driver's side. And then go ahead and pump the brakes. So right now I gravity fed them by opening them, letting the air out, and then filling it up and then pushing it, the brake pedal down. After you do that, bleed your brakes, go ahead and throw the wheels on and brake the brakes in like you're supposed to, as your directions say. Every set of brakes are slightly different. Now these brakes are all bled up, go ahead and throw them wheels on. And just like that, we got them brakes, calipers all thrown together real quick. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in those next builds.